Okay, so see those lines? Those lines are the dripping down. And see that crack? That's where it's coming through, and that's where it's leaking down, and you can see where the paint is bubbling. And then, I don't know if you're going to be able to even see this. The floor is all wet in here, but it is not coming from the outside. It's coming from the inside. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but it's all coming from up here. It's dripping in, and I hear something. Oh, here's something going on in there. Oh, I see. Oh, yeah. Okay, see, this is all wet too. So that's dripping through there, and the light is right there, and the light switch is all in right there and behind this wall.